I'm going to check out the shock tension, and actually I already have. I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to go a little tighter with it. Too much sag. This is how I do it. There's proper tools for it. They look like this. Kind of like that, but bigger. This is just a little one for one of those little Chinese quads. I got a bunch of them and they don't quite work. I don't like using them. They slip off. I don't know. I could try it, but normally I just do it by hand. That wasn't even very tight. Normally you can get away with spinning the spring. There we go. I'm not really sure how much I need to go. Just a little bit. Look too low to me. Like I said in the previous video, I like mine stiffer. I'm not a really big guy. I'm only 5'6", barely. But I'm a little chubby. I'm like, I don't know, 165, 70, somewhere in there. I fluctuate, but 125 is a little tall for me usually, but I'm so used to it that I don't like having much sag. Minimal sag. When you let go of the back of the bike, I don't want it to drop. Really. Push it down, I want it to come back up, right? Some guys like that little extra, but whatever. Talking about how I do it, and this is how I do it. Yeah, a little more. I guess, for now, I'll check it out.